Toblerone is a Swiss chocolate brand. It is produced in Bern, Switzerland, and the bear symbol of the city is depicted in the logo. Toblerone is known for its distinctive shape, a series of joined triangular prisms. Since 2012, the brand is owned by U.S. company Mondelez International, the successor of Kraft Foods Inc, which had acquired Toblerone from owner Jacobs Suchard in 1990. Toblerone was created by Emil Baumann and Theodor Tobler, 1876 to 1941, in Bern, Switzerland, in 1908. Emil Baumann, the cousin of Theodor Tobler, created the unique recipe consisting of milk chocolate including nougat, almonds, and honey. Theodor Tobler came up with the distinctive triangular shape and packaging. The product's name is a portmanteau combining Tobler's name with the Italian word torrone, a type of nougat. The Matterhorn in the Alps served as inspiration for the bar shape. The triangular shape of the Matterhorn in the Swiss Alps or Italian Alps is commonly believed to have given Theodor Tobler his inspiration for the shape of Toblerone. However, according to Theodor's sons, the triangular shape originates from a pyramid shape that dancers at the Folies Bergères created as the finale of a show that Theodor saw. Nevertheless, a silhouette of the Matterhorn appears on the modern Toblerone packaging. Theodor Tobler applied for a patent for the Toblerone manufacturing process in Bern in 1909. The Toblerone brand was trademarked in 1909 at the Swiss Federal Institute of Intellectual Property in Bern. The Tobler company was independent for many years. In 1970, it merged with Suchard, the makers of Milka, to become Interfood. After the Tobler and Suchard merger, it was decided to create a new and single source for marketing and exporting the various products manufactured by both companies worldwide, Multifood. Max E. Baumann, the son of Emil Baumann, was made director of this new division. Tobler and Suchard companies merged with the Jacobs Coffee Company in 1982 to create Jacobs Tobler and Suchard. Mondelez, Kraft Foods Inc at that time, acquired the majority of Jacobs Suchard, including Toblerone, in 1990. Bar sizes range from 10 centimeters to nearly 1 meter, all similarly proportioned. For the yearly Toblerone Schogefest, a special oversized bar is created to celebrate the bar's anniversary. The bar's weight represents the years of Toblerone, with the first bar in 2008 weighing 100 kilograms. Since the 1970s, other variants of Toblerone have been produced. These include plain chocolate, a dark chocolate, in a yellow or black triangular box, in 1969. White chocolate, in a white triangular box, in 1973. Snowtop, editions with white chocolate peaks, also in a white, silver triangular box. Filled editions, milk chocolate with a white chocolate center, blue triangular box. 1x1, individually wrapped triangular chunks, Toblerone pralines, released in 1997, a single-peaked version in the distinctive beige packaging. Fruit and nut, in 2007 with a half-purple triangular cardboard box. Honeycomb crisp, with a half-white box with honeycomb pieces pictured on it, in 2009. Crunchy salted almond, with honey and almond nougat and salted caramelized almonds. Toblerone Tobel, Toblerone thins in a beige triangular box. Crispy coconut, with honey and almond nougat and coconut. In 2016, the 400 grams and 170 grams bars in the United Kingdom were modified to have 2 peaks removed and larger gaps between each peak, which cut the weight of the bars and reduced costs while retaining the same package size and retail price. This change reduced the weights of the aforementioned bars to 360 grams and 150 grams respectively. Other sizes of bar were unaffected. The change was not well received, with one MSP calling for government action by the Scottish Parliament over the change. In 2018, it was announced that the bars would revert to its original shape, and the 170 grams, 150 grams bar would be replaced by a 200 grams bar. In the past, it has been manufactured in other locations including Bedford in England. In the 1970s and 1980s, it was manufactured under license for the Yugoslav market by Kraft in Zagreb, present-day Croatia. A similar product is the Croatian product Columbo, made by Factory Kraft from Zagreb. This chocolate is also composed of pyramids of hazelnuts and honey. Kraft was producing Toblerone under license during the 1970s and 1980s. Another comparable product is Mahoney, produced by the company Chocolat-Frey AG in Switzerland. In July 2017, In response to Toblerone's 2016 reduction in size, UK variety store chain Poundland launched its own version of Toblerone called Twin Peaks, which is larger than the modified Toblerone bar.